As vacationers eagerly board or disembark Icon of the Seas, they may catch a glimpse of the ship's newest resident making its way along the ship's hull. The robotic hull cleaner is busy scrubbing the ship's hull free of slime and algae that can build up as the ship sails the sea. Deployed from the ship while it's docked at port, the Robot Pilot Program is the latest in Royal Caribbean Group's energy efficiency efforts, which already include hull-specific efforts like its design and special paint that lets the ship glide more smoothly while reducing hull buildup. But the hull still needs maintenance, and that's where the robotic hull cleaner comes in, supporting the ship's team of specialists to keep things running in tip-top shape. From engineers to technicians and even scuba divers, maintenance is an ongoing effort. The robot cleaner and its accompanied boat not only cleans the hull regularly, but also treats the collected buildup and purifies it, ensuring a cleaner result. Whatever the innovation may be, we are working with the industry's best minds and partners to accelerate sustainable ship designs that will help sustain our planet and help you see the future.